Okay, so today if you're in class, we're playing bingo, but you're not in class, so you're not playing bingo, but that's okay. So we're going to be working on two-step equations, and we're going to be really deliberate in how we're solving those two-step equations. We want to make sure that we're solving them correctly, which means that we're using the same steps every time. So we have 4x plus 4 equals negative 56. So I'm going to subtract 4 on each side because I'm trying to get rid of what I've added or subtracted first. That's going to be my goal, is to get my variable by itself. So I cross that out just like I would with a one step, and my signs are the same, so I'm going to add them, and I get negative 60 equals 4x. Now, if I, just like with a one step, if I multiply by 4, I'm going to divide by 4 on each side. 4 divided by 4 leaves me with just x because it's 1. 60 divided by 4 is 15. And it's going to be a negative 15 because my signs are different. So my first one should be negative 15. All right. Number 2. 6x minus 1 equals 23. So we're going to add 1 to each side because our goal is to get rid of whatever we added or subtracted first. Then we have 6x equals 24. I'm going to divide by 6 on each side because I've multiplied by 6. To undo it, you divide, and I get 4. Next one, 3x minus 8 equals negative 80. Okay, so I'm going to add 8 to each side because, again, I'm trying to get rid of whatever I added or subtracted first. So my signs are different, so I subtract. So I get 72. It's going to be negative because the larger absolute value is negative. Equals 3x. I'm going to divide by 3 on each side. X equals 24. And it's going to be negative because the signs are different. All right, 3x plus 15 or 3x plus 5 equals 23. So I'm going to subtract 5 on each side. So I end up with, my signs are different. So I'm going to subtract. Take the sign of the larger absolute value. Divide by 3. X plus 9 equals negative 24. So I'm going to subtract 9. Signs are the same, so I'm going to add. Divide by 3. X equals negative 11. All right, 3x plus 8 equals 35. Subtract 8. Signs are different, so I'm going to subtract. Divide by 3. X equals 9. it's a pattern. You'll eventually get the hang of it the more you do it. 2x plus 3 equals 51. Alright, so we end up with 2x plus 8 equals negative 6. Signs are the same, so I'm going to add. X equals negative 7. Okay, my signs are the same, so I'm going to add. Half the battle with this is going to be knowing your integer rules and being able to multiply and divide. Okay, so my signs are different. I subtract. Take the sign of the larger absolute value. So now you've seen the first 12. You're going to try the next 12 on your own and let me know if you've got questions or you need help with them. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.